Safety is an expectation.
So if you need expertise, it's all here.
As an AEM member, I believe this is one of the most important programs AEM convenes.
And it's all about how can we make vehicles safer? How can we make it safer for the operators, for the end users, the people working around the equipment? And it's also how do we comply on a global basis?
Customers demand it, regulators demand it. The world globally is becoming more highly regulated, so the areas in which we focus are important to be having market access.
So the three sides, engineering, education, and then enforcement of whatever the rules are or how that product should be used, really can solve a lot of our problems just used as a model in a lot of different applications.
And I think all of us need to remember, if you look at the handicap parking emblem, when that first came out, people probably didn't know what that meant, but it was used consistently for bathrooms, parking spaces, everything, to say this is for a person with handicaps. And it's now readily accepted worldwide. And so if we all start using the same pictorials to describe a crush hazard on our machines, rather than tweaking it to make it individualized to our machines, it'll be easier for the operators to understand that pictorial.
A real good refresher on things that are common to me that you don't really hear updates to, you know, different ANSI standards and things of that nature. Plus, it's just always a good time to talk to people and get different perspectives on the way people are doing things in the industry.
The reach was a big one for us. We're going to have to stay current and know what direction the industry is going as far as hazardous materials.
I very much like through the risk assessment sessions that I've been sitting in on, that it's hands-on. It's broken out into individual groups so that you actually take a prototype product and work it through the process of from design through marking and labeling to operation manuals and everything involved in helping reduce the chance of user injury.
Plus, I think if you're doing hands-on, in my opinion, you learn better. You retain that knowledge. It sticks with you more so than just listening to somebody tell you about it on stage.
Next year's event will be at the Hilton at the ballpark in St. Louis, Missouri. And if you're a Cards fan, you really want to come. If you're not a Cards fan, still come.